This isn't one waterfall, it's 275. Welcome to Iguazu Falls on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Stretching 2.7 kilometers wide, wider than Niagara, and rising 82 meters high, taller than Niagara too. This is Devil's Throat, where the water explodes into pure thunder. During floods, over 12,000 cubic meters of water crash down every second. Surrounded by rainforest, jaguars, toucans, and endless mist. Iguazu Falls. Nature didn't hold back. Thanks for watching World Factopia, the home of the amazing word facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.